In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily tag someone on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. After that, go to your profile. If we want to tag someone on a photo, first off we need to get into Photos. Then we need to choose a photo, just open it up, and all we have to do now is just activate tagging mode. To do that, tap at that icon, just like that, and once it is highlighted we are able to tag someone. To do that, just tap somewhere on a photo, and then you can type any username at that search field, or you can select someone from that list in that way. Once you've done that, you can tag another user in the same way. You can add multiple tags on a photo, and also if you would like to remove some tag, you can easily do so. Just tap on it and then tap Add Cross. After that, once you are done with that, just close it. That's how you can easily tag someone on Facebook.